So here we are discussing about the reduction. Next topic we are having, that is reduction. In the previous video we discussed about the oxidation in very detail. So if we talk about the reduction, so that is opposite of the oxidation. First part we are having, that is the removal of oxygen, that is called the reduction. For example, I'm having copper, okay, and it is copper oxide and it is getting reduced. The oxygen is basically removed. So here you can see that in that here it is the reduction, because the electron is basically, reduction is there because it has gained the 2 electron. Negative sign is there, which means it has gained the 2 electron. If we talk about here you can see that it was the oxidation process. Okay, oxidation was there, and here you can see that it has basically gained the 2 electrons, so which means here the reduction is occurred, and here it is reduction, which means it has gained the 2 electron, and here the oxidation is there because it has lost the 2 electron. So the process, if we talk about, so I have just discussed about these terms, what is happening, but the main thing we are having, that is the removal oxygen, which means here this was a compound and here the oxygen is getting removed. So this is what the process, this is the reduction. Okay, with that, the second term we are having, that is the addition of hydrogen, is called the reduction. For example, I'm having the 2 hydrogen, okay, plus oxygen, and here you can see that it is basically get add, which means oxygen is with oxygen the hydrogen is getting added, and here we are having the H2O. Here you can see that the hydrogen is getting added and a compound is formed, water is formed. So it is what, it is the process, that is the reduction. If the addition of hydrogen is there, which means reduction process is there. For example, gain of electron, here you can see that we were having this, okay, and it has basically gained the electron, and the gaining of the electron we are writing in the left side, and the losing of electron we are writing in the right side in the oxidation process. So here you can see that from this, you can see that it has gained the 2 electron, okay, and the sign is here, which means the gaining of the electron is called this. And you can also say, write like this, that here we are having that, and the 2 electron is basically gained, okay, and here the process is there, 2 ones are 2, which means -2, which means that it has gained 2 electron, and the -2 is there, which means it has gained the 2 electron. If the positive sign is there, which means it has lost the electron. If the negative sign is there, which means it has gained the electron. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell you guys is that you can say that here the minus sign is indicating that it has basically gained the electron, okay, and if you talk about the positive sign, which means that it has lost the electron. Okay, so if we talk about the next term we are having, so for example, I'm giving you the example of the reduction and oxidation, and here the sodium, it was the thing, it was there, this was what, this is the reduction, it is showing reduction. Why? Because it has gained the electron, okay, and if we talk about here, so the chlorine 2, okay, here you can see that it is showing that it is the oxidation, because here you can see that the negative sign is indicating, which means the oxidation is there, and here you can see that not oxidation, yeah, oxidation, yes, from this, okay, oxidation is there, And if we talk about here, so it is the reduction. How? Because as you guys all know that positive sign is here, which means it was the oxidation state, and it has gained the electron and it is becoming this, which means this is the reduction state. Okay, and if we talk about here, so before that it was this. Okay, and it has lost the electron and the minus sign is occurred, so which means this is the oxidation. Okay, so this was about the reduction and the oxidation. For example, it has basically gained 4 electron and it is becoming this, which means it is the reduction. Okay, it was having the need of the 4 electron, so it has gained 4 electron, and it is the compound is the sign is here. This sign is indicating that this is the gaining form, so which means this is the reduction. So this was about the reduction. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you guys about the oxidation. If we talk about, for example, I'm having this. Okay, and this is the electronegative element. So if electronegative element is added, so which means oxidation will occur. How? Let's see. Here you can see that the hydrogen is basically, you can say that hydrogen has basically lost 1 electron. Okay, and here chlorine has basically gain 1 electron, so which means here the oxidation is there. Why? Because gaining form is converted into the losing form, which is means oxidation. So this was a little bit introduction about reduction.